Hi, everyone. It's Friday, May 1st, 2020, and it's raining this morning. Today we have our Zoom meeting at 11 a.m. During our Zoom meeting, we will talk about jobs and job skills. I'll show you some photos of people at work, the same photos we've been practicing with. I'll ask you, what job does she have? Or what does she do? I'll ask you, what can she do? Meaning, what skills does she have? And I'll ask you, where does she work? After we talk about the photos, we'll practice interview questions. We'll practice with these questions. What kind of job are you looking for? What skills do you have? You can answer the questions about you. For example, I'm looking for a job as an interpreter, or I want to be an interpreter. I can speak 3 languages. I can speak Portuguese, I can speak Spanish, and I can speak English. We'll also talk about job experience, what jobs we had before in the United States or in our countries, or what jobs we have right now. After we talk about the interview questions, we'll read Pooja Finds a Job. There's a link to this story on Google Classroom. You can tap the link and read and listen to the story. Today we'll read it together. We'll practice reading it out loud, and we'll talk about the story and talk about the photos in the story. Then we'll look at our textbook. We'll look at page 126B. And it looks like this. It says Life Skills Reading at the top. This is our blue textbook. We'll read the Help Wanted sign, and we'll answer questions. We'll practice matching abbreviations with the words they represent, and we'll practice reading want ads or job advertisements and answer questions about those ads. We'll do this together. After we finish, for homework or for later on, I'd like you to do some writing. In your notebook, you can answer this question. What can you do? What skills do you have? For example, for me, I can drive. I would write that in my notebook. I want you to write as many sentences as you can about you. What are your skills? What can you do? When you finish writing, you can take a photo of your notebook page and send it to me, and I'll write back to you with some comments. Okay? That's our plan for today, and I'll see you at 11.